Metal. How we doing, kids? Todd from ToJu Racing here. Time to open these two big boxes. I kind of know what these are. This is actually kind of a special thing. That's why we're doing a quick unboxing here. All right, forgive me as I adjust the camera. Hope everybody is doing well today and having a great day and getting ready for the holidays. This is actually a Christmas present from my sister. I was talking to her and telling her about the slot car track and everything, and she said there'd be some stuff coming for me. She was going to hook me up. I got an idea. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the back. Oh my gosh. This is outstanding. There's a whole bunch of them in here. I think various sizes. So we have shirts. These are nice shirts too. Wow. I want to give a shout out to my sister Jen and thank her. She has a business down in Florida, in Tampa, Beet Farm. It's a farm-to-table place. Check it out if you're down in the area. It's really cool. Anyway, very cool. Let's see what's in the other box. I don't know if it's more of the same. Maybe it's some different colors. All right, this is awesome. Well, all the track guys are getting new shirts for Christmas. That's for sure. We may have some of these available. If anybody's interested. Oh, same color. So I'll have to dive through all these and see what I got. And yeah, if anybody's interested. So very cool. We have some shirts. It's official. I need a beanie. And I might have to make myself a custom coffee cup. But yeah, very cool, man. Metal. This is a great Christmas gift from my sister. Thank you so much, Jen. I truly, truly appreciate it. Again, a shout out to Beet Farm down in Tampa. And we'll see you later, my metal slot cowboy friends. Race on.